So, nice easy video for you today. Start of the year, nice little projects for you. Side repeaters on T6.1s. We have just brought out these Sequential. We've got two versions, smoke and clear. We'll show you how to fit them now. So you're only going to need one tool. That's a basic plastic trim tool. Nice and easy. Put it at the back of the repeater, push in, pops out. Now rotate that bit there and pull the ball out. And get your side repeater into the plug, into where your ball came out. I'll twist that into the back. Simple as that. Let's give them a try. So there you go, as easy as that to fit. Got your clear version, new smoke version, new socks added to the website. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe.